Hi besties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. I'm back with
Who was dating Cian Bougie?
Not dating. I know her and she knew me, and that was it.
We had a serious thing going on. Wow, the effort was too much on my side. You know, we've been through a lot.
I'm here to deny him. I'm not in a relationship with him. Ujala anyone and Utabilo never know Ukurumu, Utabutella, Utaba embarrassed, Marathon embarrassed because I'm not in a relationship.
And he's crying.
You can hear me, and I want you to understand that no Jola, we won.
man, whatever you start with Usain. I highly believe this is karma. No, like on a serious note, this is real karma. There's karma. Yes, this is a karma Gandu Browns. So Undu Browns went to podcast and chill ka McG. And McG, namaz McG a little thing. He can simply ask you a question as when the channel keep blow up and he is on just know after thinking you're venting and stuff, iyo umoshela. So Undu Browns wa papa again, what's in it? What's here na Usayeni. Usayeni umuntu amangu hello. Usain was like, me and this guy is good. And it was a serious relationship. And when she was still young. Nambole make a friend Nukala. But then at that time Undu Browns was still Isogala Manyala famous and Sizel team because Senecas. But all of a sudden isn't all went north or south, let us say. Yeah, Undu Browns see what colors poster. I'm a hint up. No sign. Posta lapho nalapho, obvious. Waduma, waposta lana aphethe ama-flowers for uSayeni, wahamba uSayeni, waduma kakhulu phela ama-rumors, sisilokhu samlandelela at all. Wasuka lapho, baya kuleya mgidi waloya mntwana, lowo mfana, basuka emgidini. Silokhu sibona iy'thombe zabo boyithu, and we're like, okay, fine, should we are back together. Sayeni, akrashe out-ke manje. Usayeni maka-crash out, went to Ndumisa's house, wafika la uNdumisa ahlala khona wamtshela ukuthi dog, amtshela ukuthi yena naye abadate and manje bekascream athi uyangizwa lapha ekamereni, me and you are not dating, uzama ukuphakama ngami, you little short man. Lokho sewile manje ufuna ukuphakama. Yo guys, uSayeni will go all out just to degrade your self-esteem, ngiyakutshela. I see the only thing me and you were doing is ukunakekela inja. You're a nanny to my dog. Stop telling people we're dating, guys. Emotional damage. Emotional damage. So guys, tell me, do you think Usayeni ubuyelani naye kusazomhlaza or vele karma is the bitch?